the data and AI journey, mainly data platform migration and modernization, and building data lakes on cloud. And in AI area, we are helping customers for building the innovation solutions on analytics, advanced analytics, predictive analytics, conversational AI, computer vision, and MLOps. And in the managed service area, we are helping customers to help them for creating customizing service offering as per their requirement, and we are partner for top 4 cloud service providers: AWS, Azure, Google, and Oracle Cloud. So these are our service offerings, and now I'm open for questions. Yeah.
This slide.
Yeah.
You have put metaverse and sustainable cloud.
Correct.
Sustainable cloud means to run the data center. To run the data center,
correct,
you should have a green data center, right?
Correct.
That right from the renewable energy sources you have to run the data center.
Correct.
Then should it be thought in the beginning itself, all these resources like metaverse and green data centers, or can it be added later? Like you have put sustainable metaverse and all these applications, can it be added later, or should it be thought in the beginning itself when they design the hybrid environment?
Yeah, so basically you are asking the metaverse cloud will overlap with sustainable cloud, or it will first metaverse cloud will come, or then sustainable, you are asking, right?
No, what I mean is, if you want to add all these things later, is it possible, or it should be thought in the beginning itself?
No, possible. So it is possible. So these are different clouds, right? So the metaverse is different cloud provided by multiple customers, because metaverse cloud is a cloud which is not providing a single service provider, definitely more than 2. Okay. So there is no like Google or Amazon or Microsoft providing public clouds, a single vendor. Right, they are their own cloud, but metaverse is a cloud is providing by at least 2 cloud service providers. Let us Facebook with Google kind of thing. So that sustainable cloud, whatever I'm talking about, that is purely green cloud. Green cloud that reduce the carbon footprint and increase more into this reduce the energy level and all, and it is environment friendly cloud. So that is 2 different clouds. So I think you can create a sustainable cloud, then you can integrate metaverse cloud. So later, yes, it's possible.
That's my question, because to think of it in the beginning itself could be difficult.
I got your point here. Any more questions, please? This one? This one? Okay. Any more questions, please ask.
After you realize this hybrid cloud, how do you quantify the efficiency of the whole operations? Is there some quantification we can do?
Yes. So quantification, you are telling this hybrid cloud operating model?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, a lot of cloud management platforms are available nowadays. Okay. So you can use that to quantify.
So that your efficiency will improve.
Yes. There are a lot of CMP. Means in hybrid cloud architecture, 2 things are important. One is monitoring and security. Right. So once it is monitoring, then only it will happen. Right. There are a lot of things you are telling to backup archive or DR solution or any cloud busting, anything what we are talking about, right? Portability. So monitoring is required. So monitoring is required, and also one thing is required. One software is required to orchestrate, and another software required to upgrade. For example, the application is running in the same OS in on-premises as well as in cloud, right? Then only it will portable. So to upgrade that operating system patches, version and also the application landscape. So there is a software orchestrator will do both sides. It will upgrade both on-premises as well as in cloud side.
So to realize a efficient working model.
Yeah, yes, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, any more questions, please ask. Pardon? I don't hear you.
So Metaverse Cloud, who will be taking care of the governance?
Okay, you are telling the governance model in the metaverse, right? Yeah, it means at least two service providers will be there. So the governance model is means they will work together. They will come up with their own SLA and also the rules, regulations, and engaging model and all.
They will do, or there some standard body will come out?
Oh, that so it is because see the
What you are saying about more than two cloud providers should be used. Okay.
Right.
So in that case, the security compliance also will be taken care, right? And it could be depends upon the geography, it depends upon the user. Okay. Because suppose one organization is having presence all across the world. Okay. So their data compliance or security compliance would be according to all the geography, according to all the country, right? All countries having now, it's not like you or America or something. Even the country is having their own data compliance, right?
correct.
So in that case, how security compliance will be taken care? It's a big topic.
I will
right?
tell you. Yeah. So definitely it is a different topic and so what happening in metaverse? Okay. So metaverse, as I told you, is a virtual space where and even nowadays already started a lot of banks. Right now you can experience the product services in metaverse and talk to your friend, colleagues, and all. So what will happen? Your question is very interesting because you are telling more about security compliance part, right? So the security compliance definitely they will take care because nowadays if you see, I will give a different example. Now VMware Cloud on AWS. VMware nowadays. So how they are coming out with these service offerings? They are working together, the VMware as well as AWS. Correct. So the security and governance parts are that taking care, considering the regional global infrastructure availability, right? So how they will store the data for India region, for Australia region, or Asia Pacific region, or Europe, right? Same thing. So metaverse is just a concept, right? So they were creating AR, VR, MR technologies, right? And there are a lot of devices required to connect into that and seeing that visual impact, right? So visual things. So now I will tell you that there are multiple organizations, these 3-4 organizations. One is the service provider for metaverse, device provider, and also the storage provider. So they will work together for security and compliance part. No, it will be there, but definitely the solution also will be there. Yeah, so this is the emerging area, right? This is definitely an emerging area. So security compliance is very important because a lot of banks started metaverse. Yes, Facebook is doing. Facebook is doing this.
So we can take the rest of the questions offline since we're running short of time.
Yeah. So I want to thank you all of you for this.
Thank you so much, Mr. Padi. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll take a small 10 minutes break for tea. Request all of you to please be back in 10 minutes. Thank you.